Good day, I'm Ian Elbonjoyolip, and today I will demonstrate the proper use of personal protective equipment or PPE in a computer laboratory. This video will show how each PPE is used and why it is important for safety. These are protective gloves. Gloves protect our hands from electric shock, sharp edges, and dirt. They should be worn before touching internal computer components. This is a protective apron. An apron protects our clothing and body from dust and dirt while working in the computer laboratory. These are safety goggles. Goggles protect our eyes from dust, small particles, and accidental splashes when cleaning or repairing computer parts. These are rubber sole shoes. They protect us from electrical hazard and help prevent slipping while working inside the computer lab. This is a dust mask. A dust mask prevents us from inhaling dust and harmful particles, especially when cleaning computer units or work areas. Using PPE in a computer laboratory is important because it helps prevent injuries, accident, and health risks. Proper use of PPE ensures a safety working environment and allows us to work efficiently and responsibly. Always remember, safety first before service. Thanks for watching.